Konnichiwa, food enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of Japanese cuisine to discover the hidden secrets of karaage. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and unearth some unknown facts about this mouth-watering Japanese fried chicken dish. Let's get started. Karaage, a beloved Japanese comfort food, has gained popularity worldwide for its irresistible flavors and crispy texture. But did you know there's more to karaage than meets the eye? Join us as we unravel some lesser-known facts about this delectable dish. While karaage is now synonymous with Japanese cuisine, its roots can be traced back to China. Introduced to Japan centuries ago, karaage is a delicious fusion of Chinese frying techniques with Japanese flavors and seasonings. It's a true testament to the blending of culinary traditions. One of the secrets behind karaage's iconic crispy exterior lies in the marinade. Instead of traditional breading, karaage is marinated in a flavorful mixture typically consisting of soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and other secret ingredients. This unique marinade not only infuses the chicken with umami flavors but also helps achieve that perfect, crunchy coating when fried. While chicken is the most common protein used in karaage, did you know that other meats, such as pork, seafood, and even tofu, can be transformed into delicious karaage dishes? Each variation brings its own distinctive flavors and textures, expanding the options for all types of food lovers. Want to know the secret to achieving karaage's crispy exterior while keeping the meat tender and juicy? It's the double fry technique. After the initial frying, the chicken is briefly rested before being fried again at a higher temperature. This two-step process locks in moisture and creates that mouth-watering contrast of crispy coating and succulent meat. Karaage is not just a sit-down meal. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed on the go. From bento boxes and lunchtime favorites to street food stalls and picnics, karaage is a portable delight that can be relished anytime, anywhere. Just like any great fried food, karaage comes with an array of dipping sauces to elevate the flavor. While simple mayonnaise is a popular choice, tangy ponzu sauce, spicy chili sauce, or even a squeeze of fresh lemon can take your karaage experience to the next level. Experiment and find your favorite dipping companion. In Japan, karaage is often enjoyed in a casual and convivial setting, bringing friends and family together. Whether at home, at festivals, or izakaya-style pubs, karaage creates an atmosphere of warmth and togetherness. It's a food meant for sharing and creating lasting memories. There you have it, folks. Karaage, the crispy and flavorful Japanese fried chicken, holds many unknown facts that make it even more special. From its historical origins to the perfect crunch, karaage is a dish that deserves to be celebrated and savored. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of karaage and discovered some exciting facts along the way. If you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend seeking out a reputable Japanese restaurant or trying your hand at making karaage at home. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more delicious food adventures. Until next time, happy frying!